I own 3 businesses, one in the tourism sector, one in the car sector, and then one in the transportation sector. What I've learned about starting with my business is work. To make something work, you need to work. But to make something work and to make your ideas a success, you have to work. You have to push, You have to create opportunities for yourself and to create opportunities for other people who are relying on you. If there's any moment that ever happened to me, was receiving a gift from my employee of shoes, which cost half of his salary. I still have them for 2 years now, and I wear them. I rarely wear them. I wear them whenever I have something happening very nice. So that's the best thing which ever happened to me, that someone appreciated what I did. Try to be as professional as you can with your clients. Treat them as chiefs, if you like, but always persevere. Always never give up. A road to success is full of obstacles. Try to avoid being trapped in one of them. Be the man and always pick yourself up and dust off, and then never look back. Continue what you did, but always remember what happened so that you can teach you as a lesson as well. I am Jeffrey. I am a young pioneer.